The learning and the training that I've been given by the Royal Air Force is world class.
The RAF Reserves has equipped me to deal with situations which I wouldn't have otherwise been able to deal with as effectively as I can.
I see members of staff who have connections with the reserve forces. I see them as tremendous ambassadors for the forces to start with. But these people bring transferable skills to us. They're passionate and they're driven to succeed.
Working as a team member in a completely different capacity and having the opportunity to do that in such a different environment is something that I really feel that I can bring back to my employer.
We have a really motivated employee who is really used to working in challenging and diverse situations, and she does that of her own accord in her time outside of work. So bringing all of that experience and opportunity back into the business.
I kind of weighed up both options to join the reserves or regulars, but I was quite happy with my civilian career.
People just tend to enjoy being around him, to tend to want to work with him. I'm very happy with what he does.
On the CV was the fact that he was an RAF reservist, so it's a big tick in the box as far as we're concerned, and the teamwork I think that he appears to bring from the RAF is very, very valuable to us.
I'm currently completing a postgraduate certificate in change management, and this is a qualification that's been provided to me by the RAF. As a mentor within the organisation, I strive to impart these skills and qualities onto more junior members of my team, and indeed to the wider organisation.
I'm a self-employed event planner.
I'm a self-employed guesthouse proprietor.
I'm a self-employed groundsman, handyman. I'm also an RAF reservist.
I think being a small company and being able to support someone in the reserves, being flexible around those obligations that I have is absolutely fantastic. I really recognise how they are supporting that second career, and I'm really determined to bring benefit to them as well from that work.
Yeah, we are a startup, we're building very rapidly, and what we need is people that are willing to go the extra mile. If someone's willing to do a reservist career in addition to their own, they've already demonstrated that in spades.
For me, it's the organisation, it's the approach to logistics, the being able to work under pressure. That's really transferable.
Your organisation will benefit from exceptional training, exceptional development that you would pay many times over if you went to the private market.
Brody Engineering has signed the Armed Forces Covenant. I believe passionately in the synergy of the Royal Air Force and Commerce working together to develop Scotland's economy.
He's a very professional person, very organised, the sort of things that you'd expect or you'd hope that the RAF can do, and it's been true. That's what he's brought to us.